and the Chief Justice Torkonoo I disappointed e won wan kasa no ho. Just say wo su e wo court e ni nim hancho e na free courtroom onum e dey abafie because why very disappointed. Nioma na wo pe na say nioma na wo pe tie wo court ho ende no ebusia ankoyi amfama no. The lawyer Godfred Odame I was a former attorney general ababontene abekasa. Nyabotere ejo akonya na meche nsem no mu. Emfa nkyere mu nyina nim say nkofo miensa bi e dey petition koma ajondo mani Mahama say wonfanyi Chief Justice Torkonoo e di because wa bleachy eye mbra bi a ensese nko bleachy enti John Domani Mahama nso eye papa na achese ompese obegina nkofo no nso nsem ne saade yi na di no oyi nkofo 5 bi si honom se san nkofo 5 no entina eye case no so sa petition na Ghana for mensa de bae no mo nhwe se ebo Chief Justice a omo ngina so no mo fa nyi na di enti san nkofo 5 no woji wo mo e ma Torkonoo any MPP phobi etnase at the injunction bid a court catch a court say sanko for 5 na don't know money Mahama eji wo say omo hwe petition ni mu no sanko for 5 no court enfa injunction enfa to wo so say be ya omo ntimi enkotana petition no so enti ndem court no sa injunction bid and answer sanko for 5 na don't know money Mahama eji wo no omo ho asem no go kan e court wo no ma and na Chief Justice Torkonoo expect say enka court no be catch ne say ane sanko 5 na de wo the injunction no ato mo so na say wo de hot ato mo so enya ade o metimi proceed with sa petition na Ghana for mensa no de by na mum no ankoyi ankone sa amfa ma Torkonoo free court on ba ye na ebisa mo say de ba sem ne kosi ye e ma ne lawyer Godfred Odame echeche mu say ende de ankoyi amfa mo na wo hwe Chief Justice ne nim hantwo eni suo a bia dia dance say why very disappointed as a wiase no esi at the amano. Eno na chino ne hu say eye ne lawyer Godfred Odame I was a former attorney general ababontene abekasa na see na lawyer no so ekaye e de che Ghana for ha say malikbasintale TV so wo ho madine subscribe share no benya video ne bi enhwe.
The application have been dismissed unanimously by the court. What are your initial reactions?
Well, not surprising because it follows the theme of what we're witnessing. But yeah, I mean, we move on. There's a lot of patterns that we can find. The process is flawed, no doubt. I mean, every flawed, leading with all kinds of issues. And I'm quite surprised that the Supreme Court will more or less acceding to the perpetration of such violations against the highest judicial official. It's not about Justice Torkonoo, as I keep saying. It's not about Justice Torkonoo at all. The issues are far-reaching and they actually depend on matters which affect the independence of Ghana's judiciary, the security of tenure of judges and all. But the Supreme Court, for whatever reasons, does not seem to take that view. Well, so great. I think that in future, the whole nation will get to know the consequences of this.
You said there are more battles to be fought. Are there specific measures to be taken going forward?
I'm not here to disclose to you my line of action or plans. But clearly, what we can say is that this is a procedure that should be deplored. There cannot be a situation where the Chief Justice cannot face an inquiry set up under Article 146 of the Constitution to determine some inquiries against some petitions against her, and she's not had notice of the specific charges in respect of which the Ghana case has been made, the basis for such charges, and reasons why she's supposed to go through the inquiry. I mean, this is a basic right that is available to every citizen of the country. It's not an account of her being a Chief Justice or her requesting for the grant of higher rights than as due ordinances. She's asking for basic constitutional right. a notice of charges that she's standing trial or she's supposed to respond to. The basis for saying that's the case for her to answer. And indeed, this is a very significant point. It's a decision that resulted in her suspension. Are you saying that she cannot know the reason why she was suspended? She cannot know the specific charges on the basis of which the president said that she should go and stay at home and for another person to assume her office? I mean, this is very strange. It's something that is very much alien to every civilized legal system. But we'll see. We always the reasons and then we'll deal with it.
Finally, from in your opinion, you have said that this process is deeply flawed. There are those who are calling for the Chief Justice to simply, as a former Attorney General, to ask your opinion as a lawyer for Madam Torkonoo, what would you say to that?
Due process, rule of law, constitutionalism must prevail in Ghana. That is what we see. We did not, on account of people putting pressure on the CJ to resign or whatever, that we will take a decision. The most important thing is that there must be an upholding of the rule of law in Ghana. And we will continue to assert our rights.
So she will
the proper thing must be done. As far as I'm concerned, the proper thing must be done. And she's a Chief Justice. She's been in office. She's been a judicial office holder for more than 25 years or so. She's been at the bar for almost 40 years. She knows what is due process. She knows what is constitutional rights. And I think that's what she's asking for. And how can it be correct that a judge who sat on two matters of which she also sat be called as witness in a petition against her, and that same judge be made the chairman of the committee that is supposed to inquire into the petitions against the Chief Justice? Clearly, it's untenable. It's only in this country that I don't know. And the question is, what account can she be singled out for removal from office when indeed she did not sit even alone? She sat as part of a panel. One of the judges rather is being made a witness. That's all. That's my recommendation.
The Chief Justice, who is just about to board the car together with the police details, and the accused having been dismissed by the court, she just boarded the vehicle and together with the husband and the security team are leaving the Supreme Court premises at the moment. It's been a day of sleep.